Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Ties, and today check out this beautiful sassy short haircut for beautiful black women. I always talk on this platform that for you to make your short hairstyle look good is always make sure to make the top longer and the size shorter and the back shorter, because the hairstyle will always create that illusion of added volume and dimension. And the shape of this kind of cut, it will always accentuate women's facial bone structure, And one thing I want you guys to know is that when doing your haircut or in the barbing salon, you want to have this cut, or maybe you want to do it at home, for you to start the process, always have this factor in mind. You must know that when going for those beautiful short hairstyle, first thing in your mind should be maintenance, which I always say maintenance is low because it's a wash and go style, followed by the hair products to use, which I've always talked about here, like the MIELLE, the Kings and Coils, the Coil Sauce, the Dogs, the Carol's Daughter. So many products, you can try that, that suits your hair type, and what follow is the styling, because for you to have those style, those kind of like this maintenance hair product and the styling will always keep your natural hair beautiful, and it will always make it look great, and you will always come out looking stunning. Most women often think maybe upkeep for short haircut is so difficult, but it's the opposite, because it calls for that low maintenance. And one thing I want you guys to know is that if you can do this thing yourself, you can always book an appointment with your barber like every 2 weeks for you to maintain the style. And one thing about this cut is that it is a great style for beautiful matured women, because you can see with the right product, it will always give your hair that beautiful curls you want, and it will maintain the shine without weighing the hair down. So if you really want to work the styles on the screen, I would like you guys please to watch the video to the end. You're not going to regret watching the styles, because they are beautiful haircuts that will always complement and embrace your face. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
Angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know you belong to the stars. You're the reason why I work so hard. Angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know that I may never meet up, baby, but I'll keep on trying. But deep down I know I may never meet up, but I will keep on trying. If you need to go somewhere else, you can. If you need to love someone else, it's fine. Deep down I know I can never meet up. Deep down I know you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You can go and be happy. I'ma let you go be happy. You deserve more than I can ever give. You deserve. I know say you get toasters, many in a Benz. Say me all I really have are my legs. All I really have is a heart and cards. But baby, deep down I know that's not enough. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, 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 be happy. Deep down I feel bad, but I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. Deep down I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. I've been told that love is about sacrifices. I didn't know that the time will come for mine. Oh, it hurts so bad. Now I gotta let you go. You deserve the kind of life that I can give. You deserve the kind of joy that I can bring. Oh, 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 oh. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I'ma let y'all go be happy. Go be happy. Go, now I gotta let you go. You deserve the kind of life that I can give. You deserve the kind of joy that I can bring. Oh, 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 oh. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I'ma let y'all go be happy. Go be happy. Go be happy. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish.